Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can we create the book's cover inside Canva. So I'm in Canva account and just log in with it, and you have to just click on the search bar and search for the English book covers and hit enter and scroll down. You can go and choose any templates what you like, right? But this time I'm go for this template and I'll customize this. Right, as I told you in earlier videos, simply what you can do, you can just double click on the title and add your description about the book, right? Or you can simply add a quote on the top of the book as well. If you've written this book about quotes, so just add a curiosity code on the top of this book, copy that code and paste it up here, right? And then you can go and simply select the book name. If for example I just write down design to future, right? This is my book's name, and simply you can just write down and enter your other name, right? So if you're reading the book, just add your name and simply go for share, download, and you can simply download this as JPG, PNG, PDF, and MP4 video as a GIF, right? And when you will be download this is MP4, when you just animate this is like this, right? If you don't want to animate, simply go and download this is JPG or PNG file. Best of luck.